In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file for BlackMythWukong. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open B1, saved, save game, random numbers, and this is about game progress. For Steam users, check my video description for the save path. Before dropping this 100% save, right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Drag and drop this save files to take backup your game progress, and then open the 100% save, drag and drop all these files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load and select the profile and select confirm, and the save file successfully loads up. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.